IUPixel. All right. Let me switch over to IUPixel. There we go. All right. June 25th, it was 0.0266 cents. All right. And now we're at 0.03, up 0.002. So if you bought $100 of Pixel, right, you would have 3,508 Pixel tokens, and it would be worth $107 today. So that's if you would have sold it. That's what you would have made on something like that, an investment like that. So I'm just saying, people are asking all the time, how do I make money? How do I make money? Okay, well, this is what we're talking about. This is what you're doing if you're in this ecosystem. And again, remember, right? Remember when you're doing this, you are just at the beginning of these projects doing their thing. And they're out there starting to do their things. They're doing AMAs, they're launching products, and it's all spinning up right now. Okay. So you were in before they went live. That's the whole point. All right. There are 369 Pixel token holders. So you're a very special group. We're way ahead. IUPixel has a total market cap of $7,063,906. Okay. IUPixel this week, they will launch their super hive. Okay. Just like Pixel and Pixel. Just like Wafu, they're launching theirs tonight as well. Again, they will also have a 30% flash yield on all Pixel tokens staked. And you will have to put both Pixel and ETH into a hive, and that's how you stake into these super hives. That's a stake position. And it will issue you in the form of a tradable asset-backed NFT. And you will have, again, if you do Pixel or if you do Wafu, you will just stake into these and you make the choice of which ones you want to be in. And then you'll get this NFT that proves that you are in this position and how much capital you staked. IUPixel had a live AMA on DApp Radar this week. They answered any and all questions in Telegram about their project, billion-dollar market cap. It was a cool thing that they did too. It wasn't like normal, like what we usually do where we're actually verbally speaking. They did it all through text, and they were just, going back and forth. It was awesome to see our community over there asking questions, doing their thing, right? Swarm does.